Hey, Bradley Waldrop here, and I just wanted to answer a question that keeps coming up over and over and over again. And that question is, what's the difference between traditional marketing and viral marketing? And I get to ask this question all the time because I do both, and not everybody understands it. But everyone should understand it. It's not. There's no magic pill. There's no silver bullet. But there are some pretty interesting differences between the two. All right, so traditional marketing, let's sort of back this up a little bit and say traditional marketing is really the local business owner advertises to local consumers. And when they do, they match up the right market, right, the right person, the type of people that would be interested in the message, the right marketing message that talks about benefits for the right market, and they advertise through the right media. And there's a whole ton of media out there. And so what I decided to do is just very quickly on this infographic, provide just some examples of what those media might be. Media might be digital media being something on the internet. There's lots of that. News, whether that be pamphlets, magazines, newspapers, and the like, in directory services, whether they're yellow pages or something else, and then television or that type of media, video media, and then audio media, whether it's podcast or radios or anything else. There's a ton of media out there, and where sometimes I guess local businesses sort of get it mixed up is they try to pick the media first without understanding what their market is and what the offer might be. But that's a completely different conversation. What we're talking about here is traditional marketing. So the traditional marketing is that the local business owner then plunks down some cash and puts it in a particular media stream. That media stream then connects with their market, with the message that they're trying to give them. And then a certain portion of that market is going to go into the shop and they buy something, and then that output is into real money. Well, then a portion of that money goes back in, and you kind of lather, rinse, and repeat, right? That's kind of how it works. And you know you have a winner when the amount of money that you're putting in through the marketing process then goes to the right people in enough of a ratio that sends them as hot buyers to the shop or service or whatever it might be, and then it pushes out more cash than you're putting in. And then you distribute that and try it in different media, making sure that you're never relying only on one media in order to get you the customers. And over time, you find that right mix. And when you find the right mix, then you can scale it. And what that really means is that if you want twice as many dollars in output, you put twice as many dollars in here. Well, if you already have a positive return on investment, that's super simple, right? Let's say I put a dollar in here, a dollar in here, a dollar here, a dollar here, a dollar here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then these guys go in here, comes out, and it's now $10. Well, I can take 5 of that, put it back in, and get another 10. Well, I keep doing that, and I can scale it. And I put 10 in each one, and then I get double that on the output here, right? Instead of 10, I get 20. So on and so forth, or whatever the math really turns out to be. It's, I guess, 50 in, and then you get double that, you get 100 out. So that is traditional marketing, and we know that the success of traditional marketing is based on return on investment. Every dollar is participating in this is tracked. It's understood how much is spent. It's understood how much the customer is worth. It's understood how much that customer is spending. That is traditional marketing. That is what a lot of us do to help local businesses. You want more money on the output, then, well, gosh darn it, you put more money in and you're good to go. But that differs dramatically from viral marketing. And viral marketing is the same thing that most people, this fancy term, but it's really word of mouth marketing. So most local businesses have a following of some sort, and they benefit from word of mouth marketing. And I have talked to a lot of business owners who do nothing but word of mouth marketing. And this is what they're doing. They're doing what's called viral marketing. They will have happy customers. Those happy customers then tell others, whether they tell them on a digital platform or in some sort of news or a business article or magazine or something else. Could be some sort of directory service or list of your favorite things. Television shows and media outlets, video from YouTube and others, as well as audio, podcast, radio, and things like that, right? So you have happy customers. All of these folks are happy customers, and they're giving shout outs to the business in these different locations. And then that shout out goes to the right people, and those right people then go back into the shop and they output cash. If you want to goose this process a bit, then you start to find out which of these channels works best. You add some money into it, and as you add money, you get more customers, more raving fans. Those raving fans spend money, and then they go back out here and they start to talk about your business again. And you start to benefit from that viral marketing. Well, viral marketing there's actually a science to it, and there's a process that you can use in order to leverage this and make your campaign grow faster. There's some special techniques to be able to do that, but that's exactly what viral marketing is. It's not rocket science. But there is a very calculated way to do it. And so it starts out the same way. A local business owner advertises to local customers, matching up that right market with the right message and using the right media. And then that's where the magic happens. Super happy local customers can be incentivized to share the offer, which drives more buyers to the store for the same ad spend as traditional marketing. That is the fundamental difference. And what it means is that you get a chance to have some success in return on investment. The investment is smaller in dollars. And every dollar invested into a campaign you can calculate its sale just like you do with traditional marketing. The difference is that fewer dollars are required because this viral marketing is not linear. If you put in twice as much of this dollar back into the system, on a viral campaign, you get more out of it than double the ad spend. And so it's called geometric, and that's why it's viral. It can be from raving fans, wonderful customers. It can be from partners. It can be from affiliates. Lots of different ways to do viral marketing, but this is the specific difference between viral marketing and traditional marketing.